Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to connect Porkbun domain to Squarespace. So if you don't already have a Squarespace account, you'll need to create one. If you already have an account, then log in to Squarespace, and from the main Squarespace dashboard, click the menu icon on the right hand side next to your site and select Settings. Click the Domains and Email. On the next screen, click Domains, then select Use a Domain I Own. Type your domain under a third-party domain and select the arrow to the right of the domain you just entered. Once you click the arrow, two options will appear below. Locate the Connect Domain section and click the arrow inside the section. Select a domain provider of other and click Connect Domain. A message box will appear. Click Continue. The DNS box will appear. Take special note of the entry under the host column with a required data entry of verify.squarespace.com. This is your verification code. Don't close the browser window. You'll need to refer back to it in a few minutes. So log into your Porkbun account and click on Account. In the top right corner, select Domain Management. Locate to the domain you wish to connect. Click the Details button to the far right of your domain, displaying the domain details area. Find the DNS records option and select the Edit icon. On the Manage DNS Records menu that appears, scroll down until you see the Quick DNS Config section. In the Quick DNS Config section, select the Squarespace button, and you'll be redirected to the Additional DNS Requirements pop-up window. Under Verification Code, paste in your verification code from Squarespace DNS settings and click the Submit button to submit the CNAME verification record you created. And that's it. Thanks for watching.